May I help you?
Customers are queuing and complaining. I waste a lot of time when I need to read items at the bottom of the cart, poorly printed codes or customer loyalty cards.
The Gryphon reads from close up to far away, decodes poor or damaged codes, and easily scans from mobile devices.
I tried several readers and they're all the same.
The Gryphon is better. I will show you. To improve operator efficiency, the Gryphon will provide you with a great depth of field that will satisfy most application needs. Gryphon can easily read loyalty cards from the customer smartphone, ensuring both operator and customer safety. To speed up checkout operations, the Gryphon is very fast and accurate when decoding hard-to-read, poor or thermal printed labels. With Gryphon, you can be up to 10 seconds faster on each shopping cart. Choose Gryphon to make your daily job easier.